Welcome to my channel. It's your One Crypto Education channel. And in this video, we will be talking about how to buy USDT in Nigeria. So, you want to know how to buy USDT? You are at the right place because in this video, I'm going to show you how to do that. Before we continue with this video, if you are new here, welcome. Kindly subscribe for more updates. And if you are a subscriber, thank you so much. Please support us by liking this video. It helps us a lot. So without wasting your time, let's get straight into this video. Now, when it comes to buying USDT in Nigeria, there are some few things that you need to know. First of all, since 2021, there has been banking restriction on crypto in Nigeria. This has made it difficult for Nigerians to buy crypto. But however, there is a way around this, and that is what we are going to be talking about in this video. So, why is P2P the best method to use in buying USDT? Peer-to-peer simply means person-to-person. So, in P2P, you are buying directly from another person, and this person could be anyone. It could be your friend, your neighbor, your work colleague, or even a stranger. P2P basically allows you to buy USDT with cash, and this is very convenient. And with P2P, you don't have to worry about bank rejection because you are not using the bank, you are only transacting with another person. Are there any other alternatives? Yes, there are alternatives like using a bank account, but that doesn't work anymore since 2021. And there are other alternatives like using a crypto payment service. But they usually charge high fees and the rates are usually not good. So, that is why P2P is the best option now. Which are the top P2P platforms that Nigerians use to buy USDT? In Nigeria, we have several platforms, but the most popular ones are Paxful and Local Bitcoins. On these platforms, you can easily find people that are selling USDT, and you can easily buy USDT with your local currency, which is the naira. Now, you may ask, is P2P safe? Yes, it is safe. There are several safety measures that make P2P safe. One of them is the escrow service. With the escrow service, your money is always safe. The person you are buying from will not receive your money until you confirm that you have received what you paid for. Also, you should always check the person's reputation, check their profile, check their reviews. If you see anything suspicious, please stay away from that person. So, buying USDT via P2P is very easy. You just have to follow these simple steps. Choose a platform, register, fund your wallet, search for USDT, select the amount of USDT you want to buy, choose the payment method, which is the cash option, and then wait for the person to confirm the payment before releasing the USDT to your wallet. And that is it. You have successfully bought USDT. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any questions, kindly ask in the comments section below. Once again, it's your One Crypto Education channel, and we are here to educate you. Make you a force to be reckoned with in the crypto space. Thank you so much and see you in the next video.